10th grade U.S. history people. Hey, here's the plan for Wednesday, April 22nd. First, do the do now assignment, the April 22nd do now assignment. That's uh, due before 2 p.m. A lot of you are doing a good job on those, and it really helps your grade because it's 5 easy points, and it's just a question unrelated to the content. Second, complete the chapter 25, section 2 assignment. Like I mentioned in the last video, this is a longer assignment, and notice that it's not due until Monday, April 27th. That gives you a bit more time. And also, if you're behind, it gives you a chance to get caught up. Those of you that are up to date and would like to get a few more points, there are plenty of extra credit assignments available for you. But mostly for people that are behind, just let me know how I can help you. Email me, text me through the Remind program, contact me through Schoology, whatever. But I really want to help you guys. But we gotta get it going. This is a good time to do it because we have school off on Friday, and the next assignment isn't due until Monday. All right. Hope to see you guys soon.